How much does pre-moving cleaning Singapore service cost? Before you move out of your apartment, office or any other premises, it is important to ensure that adequate cleaning is done. This is to ensure that you are in good terms with your leasers and at peace with yourself. One thing that many people often ask themselves about is the amount of money that they will be required to pay for this. The average cost of a pre-moving cleaning service in Singapore will cost you from $250 SGD to $580 SGD depending on the cleaning work done. It is good to understand exactly how much you will be paying so that you can adequately budget for everything. In every situation, there always are several things that determine the price of pre-moving cleaning. The size of the place. The amount of space that needs to be cleaned will definitely determine how much you are going to pay. In Singapore, there are people with large houses while others are small. There also are business premises that have many rooms while others only occupy a small space. In this case, you need to look at the amount of space, so as to make it easy for you to determine how much you are likely to pay for the services. If you contact a cleaning company for a quote, there is no doubt that the first thing they will ask from you is the size of your building. This is because they want to estimate how much money it will cost them to find the right cleaning products. If they are going to spend too much on the cleaning products and on the cleaners themselves, you can be sure that this cost will be transferred to you and therefore, you will pay more. The best thing is to allow them some time to visit your premises so that they can come up with a more accurate estimate.